3.2.1 Add and subtract fractions, proper, improper, and mixed. So we have three types of fractions that we'll be interacting with here, and we'll be adding and subtracting them. So the first set of fractions, it looks like we're going to add them. And the first set of fractions is 1/3 plus 4/12. So to simplify the following expressions, leave all answers as simplified proper fractions or mixed numbers when appropriate, and then we'll have to circle our final answers. So 1/3 plus 4/12. Well, we look at the denominators first because we can't add or subtract fractions unless they have the same denominator. So let's look. So 3 is not the same as 12, so we have to see if there are like factors that we can make 3 go into 12, or if there's a common factor, least common denominator. So 3 would be 1, 6 would be 2, 9 would be 3, and 12 would be 4. So 3 times 4 would be 12. So we could do times 4 here, times 4, and then times 4. Now 12 is already 12, so we don't have to multiply it by anything other than 1, right? So times 1 times 1. Okay, so let's simplify this. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 4 times 1, which is 4 over 12. And then we can follow the addition of fractions rule, where we can add the numerators. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And we keep the denominator the same, so 12, 8/12. So we're going to circle that. That's our final answer here. Except it's not simplified, so we have to simplify. So 8/12, we know that 4, right, there are two 4s in 8, so 2 times 4 is in the numerator, and then we knew that 3 times 4 is in the denominator, so 3 times 4, right? 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. We can actually cancel out those 4's, leave it as 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 1 is 3. So 8/12 is the same thing as 2/3. 5, so that's the final answer, 2/3. 5 and 6/7. 5 and 6/7, these do not have the same denominator either. So we have to say 7, 14, 21, 28, right? That would be times 4, right? All the way up there. 3, 6, 9, 12, right? We're counting by threes. 15, we still haven't hit anything. 18, 21. 21. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 3 times 7. And then 21 right here would be 7 times 3, right? Times 3, times 3. And then this is times 7. So this is the same thing as 5. And what's 3 times 6? 18 over 3 times 7, which is 21, minus 1, and then 14, because 2 times 7 is 14, over 21. Now we can simplify. 5 minus 1 is 4. 18 minus 14 is 4 as well, and that's over 21. There is no additional simplification that we need to do. Boom. The last one, 9/5 plus 1/3, 5, 10, 15, 20, right? We're just counting down, seeing if we can get a common denominator. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so that's going to be times 3, times 3, times 5, times 5. And we get 27 over 15 minus 5 over 15, and that is 22 over 15. Or 1 and 7